Who has the money to spend on Capcut Pro? So I'm going to teach you how to access Pro features for free. Want these features in your promotional video but they're locked behind the Pro version? Stick around until the end of this video and I'm going to show you how. Let's say you've edited a video with all the Pro features, but when you try to export it, Capcut prompts you to upgrade to the Pro version. Instead of purchasing a Capcut Pro account, you can use an alternative approach. Simply use any screen recording software like the one I'm using now, OBS. However, you can utilize your Windows screen recording feature by pressing Windows Shift R. On a Mac, simply press Shift Command 5. After completing your edits, open your screen recorder, start recording and click here. Then play your edited video from Capcut. Play the video from start to finish. Once done, stop the recording and you'll have a video with all the Pro features included. You can then import this recorded video into your project. Trim the start and end if needed. In mobile, the same method applies to mobile devices as well. Edit your video with Capcut's premium features, play it in full screen, and record it from start to finish. You can then import this recorded video on your phone into your project and export it. And there you have it, your video with all the Pro features included. As promised, here's the pro tip. You may experience a delay in audio after screen recording your video. So, to prevent this, import your videos on Capcut and just use your original audio for your edit. Then that's it! Now you have your Capcut Pro feature without directly exporting from Capcut. Easy, right? Here's an honest review. Using screen recording on Windows or desktop can reduce its video quality. While this may be okay for school projects or smaller events, it might not be suitable for larger projects or professional ones where higher quality is required. Instead, you could use OBS software, which provides a better quality, but it still doesn't reach its full potential. So here's a bonus tip for sticking around until the end. I'll show you how to unlock Pro features in Capcut for even better performance. If you go to the Capcut home screen again, you'll see the Invite Friends option. Copy the link and send it to your other desktop. Keep in mind, this method works for both desktop and mobile, as long as the Capcut software has never been used on a device before. After clicking the link, the Capcut website will appear on your PC. When you see the download for Windows option, click on it. So, on desktop, once the Invite Friends option is loaded, you'll notice the Sign In button. Click on it to log in using your Google account or another option. Enter the code and you'll have free Pro access. All you need to do is copy the code, download it on Windows, and that's it. If you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below with any questions you might have.